So another red day in the markets, another big red down candle in the markets. We had a bit of a down candle a couple of days ago. Then we had a bit of an up bar. You could see it sort of just rejected it, and now we're actually heading back down again through here. The question is this the top in the markets? Is this the start of something big? I believe it's the start of something big, but it's probably not what you think. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So, seems like the moronic news, the Omicron news, seems like it's not really, it's neither here or there. Then we have Powell come out and start to finally realize, start to say that inflation's not transitory and they're probably going to start to taper a lot faster, a lot harder, and maybe raise interest rates a lot quicker than they originally thought. So the really interesting thing is right now is nothing has actually changed in the markets right now. We are getting a bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a jerky, right? S&P 500 is down almost about close to 4% from its highs. So looking at these markets, guys, and looking at what we're seeing here right now, I believe looking at these markets, all right, it's a big red candle. If we go back and have a look at this nice, big, beautiful chart that I have drawn up through here, then I see, as you can see, all this did is just reject off this resistance level and come back down to where we are now. We may even come back down a little bit more. But here's the interesting thing, right? Look at this here. From a low to a high perspective, we haven't even retraced. There we go. Right? There we go, right? Retrace a little bit more, that's 50%. I am not buying this crap right now. I am not buying it. Meaning, I'm not buying this down move. I don't believe this is the top of the market. I don't believe it at all. I believe this is the start of something big, yes. But guess what? It's just another one of what? Something that we've had all this time. It's the start of something big. Pullback, right? Move up, come back down. We may get a little bit more upside through here. But then guess what? We're likely to finish this. I do believe December is going to be an incredible move up. Yes, we're getting a little bit of a pullback right now. But that, to me, it's just, this here to me, guys, is there's nothing here to be worried about. There's just a nice, healthy pullback in the markets. We're getting a bit of a selling in the markets right now. But I do believe that this is a bit of a shake and bake. A bit of fear is coming back into the markets. And talking about the good old fear, let's have a look at the fear and greed index. This is the fear and greed index here. And we can see on the fear and greed index that there's actually a bit of fear starting to come back into the markets. You know what? Give us another flush down tomorrow. Let's actually get this thing to massive extreme fear. Let's get the fear into the markets, because guess why? Because guess what happens? Every time we, you know what? Let's flush this market. Let's actually get this fear indicator right down the bottom here, right? Why? Because the last few times in the last couple of years we got that. This one here was the Rona days. By the way, guys, in the Rona days, right? In the back 2 years ago now. Isn't that amazing? This thing's been going on for 2 years. Anyway, make sure you go get the Fauci ouchie. Anyway, not me. Thanks for that. Anyway, so we could see, right, when this was down the bottom here on the fear and greed index. Oh my goodness, did this boy go shopping, right? And then we had this big move up and so on and so forth. But as you can see, the fear that this was happening here right now, that the market took off. This is where the market was when the market actually had there. Now we're getting a big pullback and we're getting a slamming of the fear indicator. What does that mean? We buy when it's down the bottom. We know when it's down here into the 40 and below range, and we're selling when the indicator is in that range. And as you can see, right, when the market got up there, it's like, whoa, a bit too much greed in the markets, right? And then the fear is just gone straight off the cliff, straight down through there. So the really interesting thing is I see this thing just being a little bit of a fear indicator to bring all you guys and girls into the markets. But all I see is this just been a beautiful pullback, just like it's done this entire year. and then away we go. Even looking at the Nasdaq, right? Just look at the Nasdaq. If we take everything off the screen, this is what the Nasdaq's done. That's all the Nasdaq has done. Look at this here. Beautiful lows, higher lows all the way up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful high lows all the way up. Guess what? It's probably going to be another beautiful high low, and then we see another good movement all the way up in the markets, right? So we're starting to see, we're getting this very, 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 very big move. So yes, this is the start of something big, I believe. This here is like a bit of a mock charge, or maybe like even a slingshot pattern, where we're getting a little bit of a pullback, and then away we go. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.